Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are learning how to represent and solve addition and subtraction of fractions. Now remember, in class we have been doing this by first representing the addition or subtraction of fractions with objects and pictures, and then using those pictures to then solve. So here, let's get into today's mini lesson where we can practice. Aiden moves to another city and has to leave the club, the Graham Cracker Club. The three members had managed to gather 4 1/4 rare spicy graham crackers. When he leaves, Aiden takes his 2 1/4 spicy graham crackers with him. How many spicy graham crackers does the club have now? So, let us see. First is, we have 4 1/4 spicy graham crackers. So we need to first use our models to show that. Here, let's use red for spicy. Now, how many whole numbers do we have? We have 4. So you should be coloring this in with me. Excellent. So we have 4 whole numbers in our mixed number. How much is our fraction? So we have 1/4, meaning how many pieces should I break this last graham cracker into? 4. With fourths, 4 pieces make a whole. Excellent. And how many pieces do I have? 1. I have 1/4. Now let's think, what happens in our story? Aiden leaves and he takes 2 1/4 spicy graham crackers with him. So let's start thinking, is this addition? Are we trying to combine more graham crackers together? Or is this subtraction, where we're trying to take some graham crackers away? It's subtraction. So, as we have been practicing, right, we are going to do, we are going to subtract the fraction first, then the whole numbers. And we can show that by crossing out. So, we're taking away 1/4. So let's cross that out. Excellent. And then 2 wholes. So, when we have done that, what is the answer to our problem? How many spicy graham crackers does the club have now? 2. They have 2 whole graham crackers. Excellent. Now, by the end of the year, the club has collected 8 1/2 limited edition graham crackers. 4 of those graham crackers have celebrity faces on them. How many graham crackers do not have celebrity faces on them? Okay, so let's start working. Okay, so we have 8 1/2. So we should put in how many whole graham crackers? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have our fraction. How many pieces will I break my last graham cracker into for 1/2? I'll break it into 2 pieces. And how many pieces do I have? With 1/2, I have 1 piece. Okay. So by the end of the year, the club has collected 8 1/2 graham crackers. We have shown that. 4 of those graham crackers have celebrity faces on them. So do we have 4 more graham crackers that we need to draw in? Or are 4 of these with faces on them? 4 of these have faces on them. So do we need to add or subtract to find out how many do not have faces on them? We need to subtract, right? So here I can even start putting in the fact that 4 of these have faces. I'm coloring it a different color so I know that. So let's see, we're saying that 8 1/2 minus 4 whole graham crackers So, do we have any fractions to subtract? No. I don't have a mixed number here, I only have whole number. Then, with my whole number, what will I have remaining? I'll have 4 1/2. Because after I've taken away these 4 that have faces, what I'm left with is 1, 2, 3, 4 whole graham crackers and a half. So the solution is 4 1/2. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into our math on our own.